Hey guys, welcome back to day 5. As usual, we will practice first what we've learned up until now, and then we'll go over our next 2 bars of new material. So let's get started. So reviewing from the top, we'll take our basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to DQ. 1, 2, 3, 4, we drop. And we cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and cross. 2, 3, sweep. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, 5. Front elbow cross. And on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, one more time. We'll go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, and we go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Remember, you can always go back and refer to the other videos if you've forgotten anything, and feel free to shoot me a message if you need a little help with anything or just have a question. So let's move on to today's material now. So we just finished 5, 6, 7. We're going to take a cross on 1 with our right foot. 1, and we're going to take our hips to the left. So we're going to go to the left 2, back 3. And you'll notice this naturally causes your weight to shift from your left foot to your right foot. So instead of just taking the hip to the left, think of taking it forward first in a figure 8 and then rotating it back. So let's try that again. We just went 5, 6, 7. We cross. 1, 2, 3. Now we're on our right foot. We take a grapevine back. 5, 6, crossing on 7. Again. 5, 6, 7. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that was bar 1. Now we'll transition to bar 2. From here, we're going to bring our feet together on 8 and slightly bend the knees. Now we're going to pop up, keeping our toes down on the ground on 1. So it should kind of feel like you're brushing the floor back with your feet, and you're kind of shooting your hips back first, and your chest is going to stay behind. So we just went crossing 1. We took our figure 8, 2, 3. We grapevine 5, 6, 7. Bring your right foot forward to meet your left foot on 8. Pop back on 1. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7. We cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Nice. So your split weight here, you have weight on both feet. Your left foot is going to go forward on 2 and 3, and then you're going to repeat with the right foot. 4 and 5. So we'll just take that footwork without any body movement first. So we went 8 feet together. We popped up 1. Left foot goes forward. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Nice. One more time. Our feet are together on 8. We pop back 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So again, we cross. 1, 2, 3. Grapevine back. 5, 6, 7. Feet together on 8. Pop up on 1. We go. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So no body movement yet. We're just focusing on our footwork. So from that pop up on 1, your left foot goes forward first. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Nice. So now when we take those steps forward, left foot first, you're going to bend the knees and you're going to let the hips relax so that it feels kind of like you're digging your forward foot into the floor. as you take the step. So it'll be 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's try that from our 8. Feet are together on 8. We go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Now this step is going to feel fast because it has those syncopations in it. So just make sure you keep the feet close together and think more about going down into the floor than taking that foot across the floor. Again, let's now go from beginning of today. So we cross on 1, we take our hips. 2, 3, we cross back. 5, 6, 7, feet together. 8, hop back on 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Again, 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. From here, we're going to open 6 and then bring the legs together to 7. Make sure that when you're doing these jumps, you don't need to jump too high, but you want to make sure you're keeping your knees soft the whole time, so you're bending the knees on each open and each close. We're actually only doing 1. So let's go one more time, taking it back to our 8-1. So we're here on 8, we pop back 1, left foot forward, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. And then basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Those are our 2 bars for today, for day 5. All right, from the top of today. 5, 6, 7, we go. Cross, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's connect it. So the last thing we did, we have our weight on our right foot. We're crossing our left foot. 1, 2, turning 3, body rolling back if you want. 5, tapping 6, 7. We cross right away. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Let's take it back a little further now. We're going to go from 1, 2, 3, clicking on 5. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I missed my foot. Let's do it again. We go 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you want to look at your foot when you're going to hit it, or you'll do what I did and just kind of end up slapping the air. Okay, let's try it again. Same spot. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. Let's take it back to the very top. We're going to go nice and slow all the way through. 5, 6, 7, we go. Cross, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, through the cue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and a spiral. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, body roll. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a tap, tap, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, gonna try it with music. We're gonna take just the 2 bars from today first, and then we'll do the whole thing with music. Good job, guys. All right, that was day 5. Nice job. I will see you in day 6 in a couple of days. Bye.